My name's Jo and I work for Merry Maids.
My name's Gemma and I currently started working for Merry Maids a couple of months ago.
After a long search online via all the various job sites, I found a Merry Maids advertisement online on Indeed.
I saw Merry Maids on Indeed, and when I saw the advert I thought, wow, that is just right up my street. As it's to do with cleaning, and I absolutely love cleaning. I'm a bit of OCD, cleaning obsessed.
My family life has improved incredibly since starting with Merry Maids. It's improved my relationship with my husband, it's improved my family life, and basically I get to spend more quality time with the people that I love.
I absolutely love it. It's given me such a work-home life balance, especially as I have an 8-year-old daughter called Mia, and it's just given me that work-life balance that I need, basically, with the weekends off, bank holidays, and most importantly Christmas off, because obviously I have a little girl. So yeah, it's just given me a new lease on life.
Since joining Merry Maids, I've found that basically everybody I've worked with so far was incredibly outstanding. I was greeted with a nice warmth and friendliness. My training has been absolutely excellent.
What's been done so far that was really well is that I got 2 weeks training off the lovely trainers that they have at Merry Maids. Everyone made me feel so welcome, and the office staff did as well, and I can go to them asking any questions at all over any products or anything at all over jobs. So yeah, they made me feel really comfortable and settled in really well, and I just love working for Merry Maids.